Hey guys, it's Misha here, back with another video. So it's definitely been a hot minute since I've done another video. But today I'm going to do one for you guys. So as of right now, I'm actually studying abroad in London, which is why the setup is a little bit different than usual. I've been in the UK now for about a little over a month. I got here in the middle of September, so it's like the middle of October right now. So hopefully I edit this video and get it out in a reasonable time, okay? So the video that I'm going to do today is a makeup video, and so I went to this place called Boots, and it's like this place here in the UK, and I picked up a full Fenty face, okay? So I've picked up a full Fenty face with like a couple of NYX products. So super exciting. So I'm gonna title this video full Fenty face and makeup, because all the complexion stuff deals with Fenty. Literally the only thing that isn't Fenty are these two brushes that I got. These two brushes aren't Fenty. The brows, the mascara, and the lips, only things that aren't Fenty that I'm going to be using in this video. So super exciting. This is just like a little unboxing. So what I got today was the Pro Filter foundation. I've never owned Fenty before, so super exciting. I got the moisturizing hydrating longwear foundation. I got this in the color 440. That's the color that I matched best with. Then we got a little sponge. We got the bronzer. I got the bronzer in the color Mocha Mami, which I think is the darkest shade. I also got the Matchsticks Trio. So the colors are Suede for the highlight, Espresso for the contour, and Cinnamon for the highlight. So I'm only using these Fenty products. I also got the Pro Filter setting powder, and I got this for under my eyes. I'm in the color Honey, so I'll be using this to set under my eyes, and I will be using the bronzer to set my contour. Everything else I got is not Fenty. So I got some NYX stuff. I got the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Angel Food Cake. I also got the matte finishing spray. I did that because I figured, you know, I'll have a hydrating foundation, I might as well have a matte finishing spray. I got the L'Oreal Super Liner, just like a pencil eyeliner that's in black, just in case I want to do my eyes. I kind of moved away from liquid eyeliner recently, so I figured, why not get a pencil? Then I got the Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil in this like dark brown color. I got it in 220 dark brown. And then I got a lip pencil, a NYX lip pencil in the color, it doesn't say like an actual color, it just has like the number. It's in color JZS30W. So just like as a liner. So those are the products I'm going to be using. Oh, and also my mascara. I will be using the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara, because it's honestly my favorite mascara in all of the mascaras I've ever had ever. I got this from the US. Everything else I literally just bought today. I did not bring any makeup with me when I came to the UK because it takes up a lot of space, and your girl don't have money to be checking hella bags. So but I picked that all up today, and so for today I'm going to be doing a Fenty face. Okay, so I'm gonna speed it up, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm actually going to a show later on tonight in about an hour, so hopefully I can get all of this makeup done in about 45 minutes. All right, so if you want to see how I do my Fenty face, please stay tuned.
pillow. It kind of feels like I'm floating. I am oiled and moisturised, and this is phenomenal. So I have just finished my massage. It's basically a water bathing immersion massage with like oil, super gentle. I feel so relaxed, and my skin has never looked more plump. On to the next. Alright guys, feeling very relaxed. I am about to go and get sugared and sprayed. I'm going to a place called Sugar and Sprayed for the sugaring and a spray tan, because I actually have an event where my leg.
Why is this taking me so long? Finally, I opened it and I definitely stuck my nail in it. So whatever, it's fine. It still looks cool though, but that was me struggling to open it. So I'm just using the brush I used. It's the wrong side of the brush, so whoops. I want to use this side of the brush, but I'm just gonna contour a little bit, bronze it up. So what I'm going to do right now is put a little bronzer on my eyes just to warm up my eyes a bit, and then I'm going to put on the highlighter, and then I'll be almost done. So the reason why I keep backing up is because this lighting is just like really weird, and I'm watching myself on the iPad because I don't have a mirror. So this lighting is weird, so I like to back up to get a more of a like sense of like what it actually looks like, if that makes sense, like in normal, because this is like super harsh, like yellow, like bright just light, whereas like when I back up it's like I'm in sort of less lighting, and then I can see more so on the iPad what everything is looking like, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm almost done though. So what I did is I just put the shimmers, like I put the bronzer on my lid and the shimmers on top, a little in my like inner duct, and then what I'm gonna do next is my eyes, like eyeliner and some mascara. So I do have lashes, but I don't think I'm gonna put them on because I'm bad at putting on lashes and don't feel like trying to waste 20 minutes to put on lashes. So we're just gonna do mascara today. So as you can see, my neck is like the darkest part of my body, so don't at me. I think it turned out pretty well actually, considering I haven't done my makeup basically since I've been here. The powders worked really nicely. I think the shimmers are really good, as you can see, like on my eyes. The lip gloss, also really nice. Yeah, so this is basically the look. The only thing is I wish I had some sort of blush. I like blush, but I'll pick some up later. But this is like a full face of Fenty makeup. So let me switch the camera back around and do my outro. Alright guys, so that has been my Fenty face. Like I said, the lighting has changed just so it's like not that super weird harsh lighting, and this is what it would normally look like, kind of give you a general sense of what it looks like in real life. I can also show you guys what it looks like in the mirror. I'll do that. Unfortunately, like I said, it is nighttime, so I can't show you what it looks like with regular sunlight, but this is the final look so far. I'll insert pictures at the end with my bonnet off and with my clothes on, like my other clothes on. But yeah, so I think this look turned out really well. Fenty Beauty doesn't feel like I have anything on my face right now. Literally can't even feel anything. Everything was really good. The powder was meh. I think I would rather stick with Xoxo Buttercup, but I don't have it here, so I guess it will do. Bronzer was nice. Gave me a little bit of warmth back. Highlighter nice. I wish it was a little more glittery, but it's really nice, very boldable. Foundation is great. Yeah, so really cool products. So yeah, so this is the final look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.